Hey guys, Ink McCullough here, and I have some really bad news for all Thomas and the Master Railroad fans of the world. You're never going to believe it. I just found that Peter Fonda, who's played by Mr. Stone from Thomas and the Magic Railroad, has now passed away. And he's my best friend. And Mr. Stone is my favorite character. Also, I never see a Turner again right now because I'm really sad about him. And I love him so much. And you guys are loving him too. And Peter Fonda, if you're watching this, we'll miss you so much. Peter Fonda, Fonda, oh, well, anyway, that's all for now. This is Hank, signing off for now.